Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you how to detect an AI generated content. So if you are a teacher or a working professor, I know that students are out there who are using ChatGPT heavily to write their homeworks or do the research papers, and you guys are not able to detect that content. So in this video, I'll be showing you how can you detect that AI generated content. So the first tool is copy leaks. So to find this, you just have to go to Google and type in copy leaks. And first thing that pops up, you have to click on the AI generated content, and here you can see the interface. To find that whether your content is AI generated or not, you have to paste or type in the content. So you just go and copy the content and paste it over here. After that, you just have to click on check, and it will tell you in this format. Like you can see it here, the red one is an AI generated content and the normal one is an human generated content. So in this way you can find AI generated content.